Welcome back. It's Al Cioppino's kitchen. We got a special guest today. Here he is, folks. Al Pastor.
The special guest here in the kitchen of the fine Al Cioppino. Watched his video last week. I couldn't help myself. Had to reach out and see it in person.
Al Pastor is over here making his world famous kale chips.
World famous kale chips. Microwaved kale chips, folks. This is a hot commodity for the kids. Just to let you know, picked it up from a good friend of mine, Bridget. Put me on game. The kids have not.
All right, well, Al Pastor's got the kale chips going. We're gonna do Frenched lamb today with each and a little bit of Haricot Vert.
Oh yeah, I know, right?
So what do you toss this kale in?
Some ground salt, ground black pepper, EVOO. Shake it, stick it in the mic. Just right. You got to time it. You got to do in increments of 3 minutes, followed by another increment of 3 minutes. Check the texture. Sometimes the moisture disbursement inside the microwave really is disrupted when it rotates back and forth.
So that's the texture you're looking for, huh, Al?
What's the texture we're looking for? Trader Joe's is an involvement of these long stalks. I don't know. I wouldn't if I would do my own kale chips. Trader Joe's this package that I pick.
All right, man. To do the lamb, we're gonna marinate it real quick. Quick marinade. We're gonna do shallot, basil, thyme, garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper. So, how I like to peel the garlic is put the knife on top, hit it with your fat of your palm, crush it, then skin it and chop it. This, my friends, is a beautiful thing right here. Beautiful. It was recommended by a friend. Beautiful. Perfect to pair with this lamb. You want to wine with some grip. Olive oil first. Don't be shy. Now we got the herbs. We have parsley, basil, thyme, garlic, shallots, salt and pepper. All right, when you're doing bell peppers, make sure you get all that white stuff out of there and the seeds and all that. White's not right when it comes to the bell peppers. Chop the top off, empty it all out, cut off all the white, and then slice it to your liking. So I just did the bell peppers, the tomato, the white onion. We threw it in the food processor. If you don't have one, you can just chop it up real fine if you like, but I'm using this nice food processor right now from a roommate. You know what we're doing now. I got the cast iron pan, medium high heat. All right. And I put the lamb in, fat side down. Then flip it over. Put it in the oven. I've been preheating this thing. 425, 20 minutes. That's how it's gonna be. We're gonna give this thing a nice 5 minutes. And then we're gonna throw it in the oven. We're gonna flip it, then throw it in the oven. Right, Al?
Beautiful.
Now it's time for the each. Make sure you're using fine bulgur wheat. Number one, fine bulgur wheat. You know what I'm saying? All right. Pretty easy to follow. 1 can of sauce. 14 ounce, 15 ounce can. 1 cup of bulgur. All right. A little bit of tomato paste. And there goes the red bell pepper, green bell pepper, parsley, white onion. All right. So we got a little salt, we got a little pepper, most importantly, paprika. Be shy with the paprika, you see it in there, heaping. All right, so with the green beans, I got some water here, and I got a little steamer. Well, just put them up in there, steam them. And keep an eye on them. Just don't want them to get too dark. Just what you want to do is you want to reduce down the liquid here. But, you know, while you're waiting, you could go ahead and do some push-ups like Al Pastor here. Yeah. So we got to check the green beans. And basically with the green beans, you stop cooking to taste. Green beans ready. You want to make sure you cool them down so they stop cooking. Ice also helps if you got some ice. I pulled a rookie move. I didn't grab any. Throw them in the freezer real quick. Just outside the freezer, leave it open. I'm about to toss them in some olive oil in a second here. About to toss the bulgur wheat in. All right, the heat's off, and I'm just making sure the bulgur wheat gets all mixed in. So you want to, bang, cover that. Let it sit. You're gonna get your parsley ready. Boom. And I'm gonna pull the lamb out of the oven. It's been 15 minutes. I like mine mid-rare. If you like a little bit more, do about 20 minutes. Lamb looks good. About to cover it in foil, let it rest. I just threw some of this olive oil in here. I'm gonna throw some salt, some pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and we're good to go. So each is ready. I threw the parsley in there and the lemon juice. I'm good to go. Mix it all together. Here we go. I'm gonna put it on romaine lettuce. Okay.
Cioppino slicing his beautiful rack.
Yeah.